In this video, guys, I'm going to give you 5 ways to make $100 a day in 2019, even if you're broke. The first way is Peerfly. Maybe you heard of it, maybe you haven't, but I'm sure you've heard of affiliate marketing. Peerfly is a one-of-a-kind cost per action-based affiliate network. It's really an ad network. Simply take action, and sometimes you only get cents on the dollar per action that someone takes. For example, they offer things like email submits. If you get someone to fill in their email for this company or this ad, you can get 50 cents, you can get $1. You think, well, that's not that much, but you get 100 of those, 50 of those, or if it's $1.50, it really adds up. You can be at $100 a day in no time. Another way is GoDaddy, particularly GoDaddy auctions. You buy old or expiring domains that have perhaps some brand value, that are, popular names that are out there. Buy those domains and turn around and sell those domains for quite a large profit. In some cases, you can make more than $100 off these domains. And we're going to leverage GoDaddy auctions with number 5 on our list. So stick around for number 5. Number 3, Fiverr. Many of us have heard of Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where if you have a certain skill or talent, you can truly make some money on Fiverr. Again, Fiverr starts out as maybe $5 for your skill if you're good at translating Spanish to English, or you're good at web design, not web design, web design, or you're good at creating a Shopify store. You're good at creating logos. Check out Fiverr. You can sign up for Fiverr for free. Again, these are ways to make money, $100 a day, even if you're broke. Number 4, Canva. Canva makes designs easy. And Canva and number 3 also go hand in hand. Canva has a lot of their templates which are free. And again, they make money because they offer paid templates. You can buy templates as well for maybe $1. It's still very, very cost effective, very cheap as well. And Canva, you can go on there and do just about anything as well. You can create ebook covers. You can create Facebook post covers, thumbnails for YouTube videos like this one. You really learn some skills on Fiverr, and you can take those skills and leverage it with Canva, and leverage it with number 3, Fiverr. So work those two hand in hand, and you could learn some skill sets that you can offer on places like Fiverr. Or use Canva just to enhance your website or blog. Number 5, Flippa. Now let's go back to GoDaddy. As we mentioned earlier, GoDaddy auctions. Now you can leverage GoDaddy auctions and Flippa, work them together. On Flippa, you can sell your Instagram account. You can sell your e-commerce store. You can sell that domain you just bought from GoDaddy, take it on Flippa, turn around and sell it for more profit. Yeah, it sounds crazy, but people do it every day. Or you can find a bargain on Flippa, put a little bit into it, find that website about food, fitness, weight loss, that kind of thing. Put your touch on it, put your spin on it. Maybe you established it with some Google AdSense, some Amazon Associate, and you've really put a lot of work into it where it's now profitable and making money, and now sell it for more profit. Or you can just bargain hunt on Flippa, certain websites that they have, and turn around and sell them. Or keep them for yourself and generate that $100 a day yourself on Flippa. So Flippa is a nice shortcut to websites. If you don't have a lot in web design, or if you're not a designer, Flippa is a great place to go to get a website for yourself and monetize it and make that $100 a day as well. So you got to think outside the box as well. So these 5 websites are no cost to join, but you will have to verify your account on most of these sites. So it may take a couple of days to get approved, particularly Peerfly, when it comes to those ads and affiliate networks. But it is worth it. Also, it helps if you have a clear direction you want to go with Peerfly. For example, how will you advertise those affiliate offers if you get approved? This will give you credibility with PeerFly and the company to let them know how you're going to advertise, because this is a business and their reputation's on the line as well. They don't just want you spamming people and irritating people to that point. So you might want to advertise with a blog, social media, pay-per-click, etc. So there's 5 ways, guys, to make $100 a day, even if you are broke. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll put some links in the descriptions below of other affiliate offers that you may be interested in. No obligation to you. So check those out, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.